If you're trying to figure out how to animate elements in Practice Better, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll break down the step-by-step process so you can start creating stunning animations right away, whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner. Stick around till the end, as I'll also share some alternatives that might be better for your specific needs. So let's dive right in. The first thing you want to know is that Practice Better provides some basic yet powerful tools to animate elements like buttons, text, and other components on your page. First, let's talk about setting up your elements. Start by selecting the element you want to animate. You'll find a set of animation options in the settings panel. You can choose from different types like fade, slide, or zoom effects, which will apply to your element. The nice part here is that you don't need to be a designer to use these animations. It's simple, drag and drop functionality that helps you get started quickly. Next thing, after you pick your animation type, you can control the timing and duration. This is really important because you want the animation to flow naturally within your page. Practice Better allows you to adjust how long the animation takes and when it starts. You can make the animation begin on page load or set it to trigger when someone scrolls to the element. The timing controls make a big difference in creating smooth transitions. The third thing I want to highlight is the customization options available with these animations. You can adjust the speed and delay, which helps create a more dynamic experience. The best part is that you can combine multiple animations on a single element for more impact. For example, you can have an element first fade in and then slide up, giving you more flexibility to create engaging visuals. Next, let's talk about previewing your animations. Once you set it up, you can preview how it looks right in Practice Better, so you don't need to guess what your final design will be like. Testing it in real time lets you adjust and fine-tune things until it looks just right. The fifth thing to mention is that while Practice Better's animation options are decent, they are pretty basic compared to other more robust tools. If you're looking for more advanced animation features, like custom keyframes or more complex transitions, you might find Practice Better a little limiting. However, if your needs are basic or you're just starting out, it could be perfect for you. Now, if you're thinking about alternatives, there are some tools out there that go a step further. For instance, software like Webflow or Elementor provides a much more extensive suite of animation options, including detailed timing, easing effects, and custom animations. These tools give you greater flexibility, but they also come with a steeper learning curve and might not be as beginner-friendly. So, why does this matter? Well, depending on the level of complexity you want for your animations, you might decide Practice Better is good enough. However, if you need that extra layer of customization and advanced control, those alternatives are something to consider. At this point, you're probably wondering how to get started with Practice Better and explore these options yourself. Well, I've got something special for you. Through the link in the description, you'll not only get an exclusive and extended free trial for Practice Better, but also discover some amazing alternatives with free trials, perfect for your animation needs. These alternatives might just have the features you need for more advanced animations. So, make sure to check out the link to get the best trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Trust me, it's worth it. So, to sum up, Practice Better is a solid choice for basic animations, but if you're looking to take your designs to the next level, make sure to explore other options with more advanced features. Thanks for watching, and be sure to grab your exclusive trial by clicking the link below.